very important, paramount, very big, colossal, very short-lived, ephemeral, very bright, luminous, very skillful, adroit, very afraid, petrified, very beautiful, resplendent, very busy, inundated, very brave, intrepid, very innocent, innocuous, very lively, vivacious, very thin, emaciated, very fat, corpulent, very kind, benevolent, very evil, malevolent, very quiet, hushed, very noisy, raucous, very clean, pristine, very messy, chaotic, very old, antiquated, very important, momentous, very dirty, squalid, very weak, frail, very dark, tenebrous, very thrilling, exhilarating, very painful, excruciating, very routine, quotidian, very prevalent, ubiquitous, very harmful, pernicious, very emotional, poignant, very practical, pragmatic, very thoughtful, contemplative, very earnest, diligent, very strict, draconian, very tall, towering, very brutal, barbarous, very cruel, ruthless, shimmery, iridescent, perplexed, bewildered, very hostile, bellicose, very crowded, bustling, very high, lofty, very mistrustful, paranoid, pointless, futile, very hardworking, industrious, very determined, resolute, very friendly, convivial, very annoying, vexatious, overused, hackneyed, very argumentative, pugnacious, very rude, discourteous, very distrustful, cynical, very negative, pessimistic,